Welcome back, guys. Nick here.
And I'm Erika. And today we're going to show you how to make cool holographic stickers like this on the Cricut Maker.
So can I Cricut?
Yes, you can.
Let's go.
Starting off this tutorial in Photoshop, I'm using a free vector of the Millennium Falcon and the Rebel logo. All you have to do with the magic wand tool selected is click the white parts that's selected with a dotted line and then press delete. Make sure the layer is highlighted. Copy and paste it into the Millennium Falcon file that's also open. Control T and resize the Rebel logo over the ship. Once placed in the right area, press Enter. With the Magic Wand tool still selected, click on the Rebel logo so it's selected with a dotted line. Click the Millennium Falcon layer so it's highlighted and press Delete. Press the eyeball button to hide the Rebel logo. And there you have it. That's the sticker for the laptop, and then you can save it as a PNG. And since I wanted to go over the Apple logo, I'm just going to use my mat to see how many squares I need to cover with my sticker. So about 2 to 3. Now going into the Cricut Design Space, I'm actually going to make 2 stickers, the same size with the same holographic adhesive vinyl. So I'm uploading both. Then resize to a little over 2 inches side by side. You'll see here it comes to 6 squares by 3.5 squares. When you hit Make It, you don't need to mirror this time since you will be using transfer tape. Go ahead and cut 6 by 3.5 inches for your vinyl and transfer tape. Run it through the Cricut Maker, and it's kind of cool because you could see what was actually cut here. And now on to weeding. The Stormtrooper one that will go on the tumbler actually took some time to recreate. It's a combination vector of a Stormtrooper helmet and Versace rings. If I gave a tutorial on that, I think it would have been its own video. But back to weeding. So this is what they look like. Now I'm going to cut them in half. Now go ahead and apply the transfer tape on top. With this transfer tape, I really, and I mean really, had to work it. It doesn't stick very well to anything, and you can see I'm having a real hard time here. So instead of an off-brand transfer tape, I would just get the Cricut Brand. It sticks a whole lot better and you won't have to struggle like I did. Now on to the second sticker for the tumbler. Again, I recommend using the Cricut Brand transfer tape, and that's what it looks like on a stainless steel tumbler that I got from work. Remember to be careful when using intricate stickers like this one, especially on an uneven surface. It can get tricky. For the laptop Apple logo, I actually made this a little smaller, so I reduced to 1 3/4 of an inch. And that's it. Hope you liked it.
We'll see you guys next time, and hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for our next episode.
Like this. Be behind the table. Like it looks better if you're not behind the table.
Like this on the Cricut Maker.
So can I Cricut?
Yes, you can.
Let's go.